what's up, princess? Oh, what's up? Oh, what's up? Oh, you want to be in the butter video? Come on. Come on. No. Hey, you want the butters? Butters? Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, I got you. I got you. All right. Scared of you. It's my bite. Let's get this intro. What's going on, Reshoevn Nation? Jonny Bubbles back with another cleaning video. And yes, it's another pair of Yeezys. This time, it's the V2 Butters that Daniel went ahead and got beat for us. As you can see, they are pretty trashed. Not sure how they're gonna clean up. Pretty sure, I guess I could say I'm pretty sure they're gonna clean up very well. What I'm not sure about is this little red dye here on the midsole. I'm not sure what he kicked when he was out there in SneakerCon Dallas. But as you can see, it's on both sides. So we're gonna see how we can try to get that out using our advanced 3 brush sneaker laundry system and our sneaker laundry detergent that is available at Reshoevn8r.com. Make sure you go cop yourself one now. So guys, let's get started. For the purpose of this video, we're gonna go ahead and put the right shoe aside and I'm gonna clean the left one. The first step, guys, is to remove the laces. The next step is to grab our adjustable shoe tree and adjust it to size. As you can see, it's gonna allow us to apply more pressure on the toe box to get that deep clean. 1, 2, and I'm gonna begin cleaning the uppers using our soft bristle brush. All right, guys, the uppers are looking pretty good. Remember, anytime you're cleaning any knitted material, you do want to start with our soft bristle brush. I do still see a few deeper stains right here on the side panel. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is move on to the all-purpose brush, scrub that a little bit, not too hard because I don't want to fray the material. I'm not sure if it will or if it won't, but I'm gonna go ahead and try that first. If I don't see any fraying, I'm gonna go ahead and apply more pressure. So let's do that now. Two more spots. All right, guys, I think I am done with the uppers with that all-purpose brush. There is still a little bit of stains here, but the laundry system will hopefully get deep in that material and flush it all out and hopefully get rid of all that dirt. So the next step, guys, with the same all-purpose brush, I'm gonna go ahead and clean the midsole, and then I'm gonna move on to the outsole using that stiff bristle brush. So let's do it. That's the power of Reshoevn8r right there, guys. Boom. All right, guys, so the next step is gonna be to clean our laces. Oh, fail. What's up, Hayden? How's it going?
What's going on? What are you working on?
What's up, Hayden? How you doing?
I'm doing pretty good, Johnny. How are you?
I'm doing great, bro.
It's starting to look pretty good so far.
Why are you stepping in my video, though?
I think you might have missed a spot right there.
The laundry system will get that
I
out.
want to re-get that.
Oh, no worries.
Cool, Johnny.
All right, thanks.
Keep doing what you're doing.
Yeah.
Proud of you for getting employee of the month.
Hey, for sure, Slim Jesus. Thank you. Everyone, give a thumbs up for Slim Jesus lookalike right there. All right, guys. Now that the laces are all done, next step is just to throw them in the shoe. Grab our laundry bag. You want to make sure you secure it, lock it up, and let's go throw these in the wash. All right, guys. So let's go ahead and throw this in the wash like that. Let me go ahead and grab our sneaker laundry detergent. It is available at Reshoevn8r.com. You want to loosen the cap, squeeze it. It's about an ounce. Go ahead and pour directly onto the shoe. Close that, turn it on. Just gonna change it to a medium cycle. wash, rinse, and a spin. You always want to make sure you have a rinse and a spin, and cold water only, guys. Never use anything else but cold water. Hit start, and we'll be back in 42 minutes. Thank you. All right, guys, we are back. Went ahead and let these dry overnight, and as you can see, they went from super toasty to extra butter using our advanced 3-brush sneaker laundry system and our sneaker laundry detergent that is available at Reshoevn8r.com. So guys, remember how I had those stains here and here? Well, I'm not sure if you can see them now because the system did its thing. Honestly though, it did take a second try. These stains were a little deeper than I thought, so I had to hit it up with the all-purpose brush again, throw it in there for a second wash, and they came out super crispy, I can't lie. So sometimes, guys, if you don't get the desired results after the first cleaning, a second cleaning may be needed, but that's okay. Second cleaning isn't bad. Now, one thing I do want to point out, guys, is this red little stain here that I'm not sure what Daniel kicked. As you can see, it's still there. Unfortunately, it's not going to come off. We tried using acetone to remove it, and it's just not coming off. That is stained into the midsole, unfortunately. So don't be kicking stuff, guys. Or you can purchase our sole shields and cut them to apply up to the side of this, and you won't have that issue. And the boost and everything will stay clean. But as you can see, even the sole brush got these boosts looking super crispy. Let me put a side by side of that real quick. Yup, super crispy. All right, guys, that's gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. But before I go, I wanna give a huge shout out to Flynn.
Hello,
Boom.
guys. Welcome to Flynn.
He sent us this video while his dad sent us this video that he did for us. He's a huge fan of our channel. He's a huge fan of Vic and myself. He sent us a video doing the cleaning. I just want to say thank you, Flynn. If you're watching this video, leave a comment below so we can pin it. And everyone give us a thumbs up. If you use the product, hit that thumbs up button. If you're not already a part of the Reshoevn Nation, guys, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget, we're giving away a pair of Yeezys again this month. It's happening for the whole year, so make sure you guys enter that. I'm Jonny Bubbles, guys. I'll see you in the next one.